Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm so excited to share another Christmas mini with you. This one works up in one day and will leave you feeling so ready for this holiday season. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick share. And if you're new, gosh, it's wonderful to have you here with us. I so much appreciate you taking time. This one is so adorable. It's a mini album that you can make in one day. And I'll leave the link down in the description of the full class that I created for us. And you know what? This time, it uses Farmhouse Christmas by Carta. Beautiful cut-aparts, wonderful sticker sheet, and that's all I used is just one pack. And I actually have papers left over as well, so it's just a fantastic book, so super fun. All the details below. Right here on the front cover, you'll notice this is an excellent little cut-apart page that you can just mount on some black cardstock, stick it on the front, keeping it super easy, simple. And then I've got a little bit of lace ribbon right here, just from the Dollar Tree, and then some crochet yarn. I made a cute little tassel. And if you've never made a mini album before, oh my goodness, great for beginners and even seasoned crafters. This is one that can work up quick, so you can have all your gifts ready to go. Pictures will look absolutely phenomenal in here. I believe this holds about 25 plus pictures. And you know what? All 4x6, no cropping necessary. Oh my goodness, look how adorable. You can stuff as many or as few tags in this beautiful front inside pocket right there. I got some journaling lines with my chalk marker right there, and that's just a little cut apart. I've got these little photo mats that come out. And you'll notice that this is a little added feature here, this acetate pocket. These are techniques that I demonstrate in all my different types of classes I have. And if you become a monthly subscriber, you can actually gain access instantly to all the different classes that I've made that uses that technique. And you can include it in this book and just modify as you go. Okay, so beautiful. I've got excellent picture here, portrait style. And I leave my stickers open, of course, so you can stuff some things behind here. Okay, so that is so cute. It flips, and then we got a couple little stockings. And these just tuck right back in this back pocket. And you have a beautiful spread here, and you can customize this as much as you like. It could be a journaling spot up here or down here, writing the dates in like a little silver gel pen. You could totally fly away and customize this and make it your own. Oh my goodness, and of course you're going to see my wonderful little pen marker accents. I can't help myself. And here comes the twine from the back. I post new classes every month. I do get a little behind in the holidays, but I end up catching up. And it's just so much fun. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in and just for taking time out of your day to spend with me. I just really am honored. We got like a cool little pocket. Again, this is another acetate little alteration I did there. And I mean, you can just play the Christmas jazz and craft along. I am using different paper in the tutorial, but again, all these books are customizable. You can use any paper that you'd like. Just get in the Christmas spirit and then just craft away. Right here, we've got an awesome little photo mat again. You could tuck under the images. Beautiful place for the kids. Maybe right here by the fireplace. Oh my goodness, I just love it. I'm just so excited. And if you're questioning, your first class or so, I actually have coupons and sneak peeks playing out on my Facebook page and my Instagram every month, so you can go ahead and see what coupon code is out there, apply it on a first class, and see how you do. Beautiful little picture space here. Also, I will be playing a class trailer after this walkthrough. That way you can understand the teaching style, and if it's something that you're interested in. And we just have a blast. Okay, this is just a beautiful place for journaling. Again, you can add as many or as few tags and photo mats as you want in here. You can even tag top that. I know your mind is going crazy already on the things that you can do because you're that creative. You're going to make it your own. And you know what? If you ever end up taking this class, I would love to see your projects on my Facebook group, Mini Album Artists. It'll be a joy just to see what you're up to. So as you notice, these flaps actually stay closed. This is the stationary back, so we don't need to worry about it too much. But it keeps it nice and tucked in and keeps the flaps from flying around. So thank you again, everyone, so much for joining me for this super quick project share. It's a real true joy to be here with you, and I thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in class. Merry Christmas, everyone. Love you. Bye. Hello, my friend. I'm honored to be here with you. Welcome to the Beginner's Mini Album class. This project comes together in one day, and my Fiskars paper trimmer. This is wonderful. I do have my Martha Stewart bone folder as well. This is my best friend. And I have the ATG gun. Again, you can get the refills from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and the amounts of paper and chipboard will all be in the cut list down below in the resource tab. A little bit of a chicken wire fence there. Some more plaid, super springy. Totally love it. Beautiful wood grain. I have my chipboard right here, and you'll notice each medium weight chipboard has like a stiffer side and then a wobblier side. And if you have like a little bit of slight overlap over here and it's not completely lined up, don't even worry about it. Not a big deal. Remember to be easy on yourself throughout this entire process. Now you can apply as many or as few strips of this in here as you'd like. This is a balanced amount though, right there. Pre-burnish. I need a total of 4.5 by 6.5. Very simple, 5 inches along the top. Let's score it 1/2 inch again. And everything else is just gonna follow through, okay? Once you get that, place your thumb there, and let's make sure that stays consistent all the way through. Away from the edge, we don't wanna overlap the adhesive. Tiny bit on the inside, and then we just stick it right on. And there's tons of different ways that you can do this, but I'm not too particular as long as it doesn't look too silly. Center it on, even amount of pressure, lift up, and there you have it. Piece prepared already, and now there's gonna be an 1/8 between these two photo mats right here. 2 pieces, 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. We can go ahead and decide whatever design paper it is that we want to pop out right there. Thanks for watching until the end. Did you enjoy that cute little class trailer? It's just my honor, and I really want to shout out to my silent fans right now because I'm going to be giving away 3 free classes to 3 amazing people that just may be a little bit shy to comment down below. This is such a friendly group that we have here on YouTube, and I would love to just get to know you and know who you are, so I would love to gift you a class. So you are entered once you leave a comment down below. Maybe tell me what you're doing on this Christmas holiday season, and I would love to know you, and I really appreciate you. So please leave your email down below, and it would be truly my pleasure to gift you a class, set you up with an account so you can get going. So Merry Christmas to you, and Merry Christmas to everyone here. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.